next up on Tech Buzz, we have got the Tronsmart Apollo Air Plus as promised. We've already unboxed these guys here, so I'm going to just unbox these and show you the difference between the two, and stay tuned for a review. We have a review coming for these soon. But first thing off the bat, you can see the difference in box size. So these are the Apollo Air, these are the Apollo Air Plus, and let's have a look and see what the difference is. And the box size is something that's making things interesting. And first, you've got wireless charging with the Apollo Air Plus, and on the back you'll have the rest of the specs there. And we'll quickly go through. If you want to pause that, you can read. You've got the same chipset, 35 decibels, 6 mics, wireless charging seems to be the only thing that's missing there at the moment. 20 hours, IP45 on both, and intelligent app control. The app for these is brilliant, I have to say. And you've got the 3 modes. You've a graphene driver on these, and there is one on the other one as well, and the chipset is all the same there. So let's see why the box is so much bigger. So inside here you've got this nice colour, and you've got the feedback ANC, free forward ANC. You've noise source, anti-noise, and resulting noise. So that's the difference there and what it looks like. So let's get into these and have a look. Just peel off these stickers. So that is the case, and inside you get your cable and your extra tips and your USB-C to USB-A, and of course you get your instructions in here like so, and you get a little warranty card. So that's pretty much it there. So there is the case. Look identical, same size as you can see, and there is the earbuds. So we're going to pop them in and have a look. So you do get the blue light there as you do on these. So let's have a look at the actual earbuds themselves. Presumably these are identical, it's just different stuff inside. So that's the two of them there. They look identical, and more likely they are just identical, but that's what they look like. So you've got your 2+1 on them and the same on that, so everything just seems to be the same. So this is just better internals. So let's have a look here from this side. You can see here, you can see the auto play and pause you have on these. That's what that is for there. This doesn't come on the previous model, so that is another difference there you can see. So it's nice to see, but everything else seems to be the same, and they're very good with the sensitivity level here. I'm touching this area here, which you can use to control the earbuds themselves, which is really nice. They work really well. So yeah, I've been using these for a few days, but yeah, I've been very impressed. Watch out for a review soon. But that's basically just a quick look there. You can see the difference with the features there alone. So you've just got on the visual aspect anyway, you can see you've got your auto play pause sensor there, and everything else is just the same. So that's basically it, which is really nice. So look forward to testing these out and see how these sound compared to the Apollo Air. So stay tuned for the full review of both, coming soon on techbuzzoil.com. Any questions, hit us up and fire them down below. We'll gladly answer. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.